Hi, I'm Scotty. Welcome to Scotties Clock World. Okay, I'll put the movement back together again. You'll see that the springs have both been cleaned and greased. Everything's in its correct position and working nice and smoothly. We're now going to oil the movement. We put one drop on each of the pivots. And on there, on our new bushings we've put in. That's a J hook. That's a lifting arm. It's the escape wheel. Right, I'll take up my little oil pot for a minute. Turn the movement over. Then we'll do the front plate. The hammer. Pivot for the hammer. Wheel. Another wheel up there. Escape wheel. Count wheel. And the fly. We'll put two on the winding arm. 1, 2, one at the front. One behind. Right, now we'll put the pallet on, we'll put the pendulum on, we'll put it on a timing stand, and we'll check and see how accurate the time is, and we shall adjust the pendulum bob up or down accordingly. This is the rack hook right here. .63 mil. Drop that down.